You hear everyone talking about NFTs, right? But what are they? NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are a revolutionary concept in the digital world. They represent ownership of unique items or content on the internet. Think of NFTs like a deed for something you own online. Just like a physical deed proves you own a house or a car, an NFT proves you own a digital item. You know how you get a paper saying you own your house? That paper is a physical proof of ownership. An NFT is like that, but for digital stuff. It could be anything from digital art, music, videos, or even virtual real estate. It could be a piece of art, a music clip, or even a tweet. Yes, even a tweet can be an NFT if it's unique and valuable. This digital deed proves you own the original. It's a way to claim ownership of something that exists only in the digital realm. It's like owning the only signed copy of a valuable comic book. The value comes from its uniqueness and authenticity. Anyone can look at a copy online, but only you have the real deal. This exclusivity is what makes NFTs so special. That's the power of NFTs. They bring a new level of ownership and value to digital content. NFTs are stored on a blockchain. This is a crucial aspect of their security and authenticity. Think of a blockchain as a giant secure online ledger. It records every transaction and ownership change. It keeps track of who owns what. This transparency and security are what make NFTs reliable. This makes NFTs very secure. The blockchain technology ensures that your ownership cannot be tampered with. You don't have to worry about someone stealing your digital stuff. The blockchain protects your digital assets. NFTs are changing how we think about ownership in the digital world. They are creating new opportunities for artists, musicians, and creators. It's a big deal, and it's only going to get bigger. The future of digital ownership is here, and it's called NFTs. NFTs are making waves in the art world. These digital assets are revolutionizing how artists create, share, and sell their work. No longer confined to physical galleries or traditional auction houses, artists can now reach a global audience with just a few clicks. Artists can now sell their digital work directly to collectors. This direct-to-consumer model eliminates the middlemen, allowing artists to retain more of their earnings and build a direct relationship with their audience. They don't need galleries or auction houses. This democratization of the art world means that even emerging artists have a chance to shine and make a living from their passion. This gives artists more control and a bigger cut of the profits. They can set their own prices, decide how their work is used, and even earn royalties on future sales. NFTs are also changing the game in gaming. Imagine a world where your in-game achievements and items have real-world value. Imagine owning your in-game items, like weapons or skins. With NFTs, you can. These digital assets can be bought, sold, and traded just like physical items. You can even sell them to other players. This opens up a whole new economy within the gaming world where players can earn real money from their virtual endeavors. This creates a whole new economy within games. Players can now invest in their gaming experience knowing that their time and effort can translate into real-world rewards. Let's say you have a rare sword in your favorite online game. It's powerful and everyone wants it. It's powerful and everyone wants it. With NFTs, you can sell that sword to another player for real money. This transaction is secure and transparent thanks to blockchain technology. With NFTs, you can sell that sword to another player for real money. They get the awesome sword, and you get paid for your gaming skills. Pretty cool, right? They get the awesome sword and you get paid for your gaming skills. Pretty cool, right? This new dynamic is transforming how we think about digital assets and their value. NFTs are bringing real-world value to the digital world. Artists and gamers alike are finding new ways to monetize their creativity and skills. This is just the beginning. As technology evolves, the possibilities for NFTs in art and gaming are endless. The future is bright for digital creators and enthusiasts. NFTs can be valuable. These digital assets have taken the world by storm, capturing the interest of collectors, investors, and tech enthusiasts alike. Some people have made a lot of money buying and selling them. Stories of overnight millionaires have fueled the hype, making NFTs a hot topic in the investment world. It's like any investment, though. There are risks involved. The market can be unpredictable, and not every NFT will appreciate in value. The value of an NFT can go up or down. Price fluctuations are common, and what seems like a sure bet today might not hold the same value tomorrow. It depends on what people are willing to pay. The market is driven by demand, and trends can change rapidly. Just like with sneakers or trading cards, some NFTs become really valuable, others not so much. The rarity and desirability of the item play a big role. It's important to do your research, understand what you're buying, Knowledge is power, and being informed can help you make better investment decisions. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. The market's volatility means that you should be prepared for the possibility of losing your investment. Just like with anything else, right? NFTs are still new, the market is volatile, it's a space filled with both opportunities and uncertainties, but that also means there's a lot of potential for growth. For those willing to take the risk, the rewards can be substantial. The future of NFTs is still unfolding. Web3 is the next generation of the internet. Remember Web 1? It was all about static websites. Web 2 brought us social media and user-generated content. Web 3 is all about decentralization. In Web 2, big companies control most of the internet. They own your data and can control what you see. Web 3 aims to change that. It puts the power back in the hands of users. Web 3 uses blockchain technology. This makes it more secure and transparent. It allows for new types of applications and services. Web 3 is about creating a more open, fair, and equitable internet. Section 5, Web 3 in the wild real-world examples. Web 3 might sound complicated, but it's already here in many ways. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is one example. DeFi lets people borrow and lend money without a bank. Another example is decentralized social media. Imagine a social media platform where you own your data. You control what you see. No more algorithms or censorship. These are just a few examples of what Web 3 can do. As Web 3 develops, we can expect to see even more innovative applications. The possibilities are literally endless. Section 6. The future is here, NFTs and Web 3. Unleashed. NFTs and Web 3 have the potential to revolutionize many industries. We're talking about art, music, gaming, finance, and more. This is a paradigm shift. Imagine a world where artists get fairly compensated for their work, a world where gamers truly own their in-game assets, a world where the internet is more open and democratic. This is the future that NFTs and Web 3 are building. It's a future that's more equitable and accessible for everyone. It's a future where we have more control over our digital lives. Section 7. Challenges ahead, navigating the unknown. NFTs and Web 3 are still in their early stages. There are challenges to overcome. Scalability is one issue. Blockchain technology needs to be able to handle more transactions. Regulation is another challenge. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate this new technology. Education is also important. We need to make sure people understand how to use NFTs and Web 3 safely. These challenges are not insurmountable. The technology is evolving rapidly. As more people get involved, we'll find solutions. It's all part of the journey. Section 8, the bottom line. NFTs, Web 3 and you. NFTs and Web 3 are changing the world. They're creating new opportunities for creators, collectors, and investors. They're empowering users and giving them more control. It's an exciting time to be involved in this space. Do your research. Learn as much as you can. Be cautious, but don't be afraid to explore. The future is here, and it's decentralized.